Get ready to skip the store-bought pancake mix and make it at home with ingredients you already have in your pantry. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making my favorite pancake mix from scratch. This is made with ingredients that you already have in your kitchen, and you can make a giant batch for quick and easy pancakes any day of the week. So to make our pancake mix, we're just gonna measure out all the ingredients into a bowl and then just whisk it together, and then you store it in your pantry until you're ready to make some pancakes. So we're gonna start with some all-purpose flour, and you can actually use whole wheat flour or a gluten-free 1-to-1 flour, works really well also. And you need 6 cups. And there's our flour. Next, you're gonna use 6 tablespoons of baking powder. So generally I do for my pancakes, it's like 1 cup of flour to about 2 tablespoons of baking powder. But for the pancake mix, I like to keep it a little bit less. If you want to add more baking powder, you'll actually just get a little more loft in your pancakes. They'll just be a little more fluffy. And then 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, and then 1/4 cup of brown sugar. If you don't want to use brown sugar, you can use granulated regular white sugar. That works as well too. And then we're just gonna whisk all of that together and transfer it to a storage container. If you find any lumps of brown sugar in here, you can just pick them out and crush them with your fingers. I think I got all of them. All right, and now we're gonna just transfer it to a storage container. I like to use one with a lid that kind of seals pretty tightly. So we're just gonna transfer it to the storage container. And if you have a storage container that doesn't fit all of your pancake mix, it's great for a gift. So like a housewarming gift or like in a gift basket for Christmas. And there you go, there is your pancake mix. Now to make your pancakes, so you're going to take 1 cup of mix and a cup of milk and then 1 egg, preferably room temperature, and you want to melt your butter and just mix this all together until it's well blended but still has like a lot of lumps in it, and then you'll cook it on your griddle. It makes the perfect, most quick pancakes ever. You're going to want to make these every morning. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.